Hi, welcome to the old town of Songkla. This is at the back of the Songkla Heritage Trust office. It's a big warehouse that has now been conserved. It's just next to the fishing wharf. This is the display of the food trail. There's a talk going on here. There's an old boat. The Heritage Trail of Songkla's three old town from Singora to Songkla. Songkla Declaration, where the Indonesia-Malaysia Triangle Growth Triangle. There are the cities of Phuket, Songkla, Georgetown, Medan, Malacca, Sawahlunto and Palembang. So Songkla is working towards World Heritage Site. It wasn't too long ago that Georgetown was in this position. Imagine that the growth and potential in Songkla. This is the outside view of the big Songkla warehouse. It's probably an old fishing warehouse. And opposite the warehouse, the red warehouse, are some old houses here that looks like they are being restored, but there are still a few that's in that could need a further restoration. The history of Songkla dates back to the year 1200. Inside the exhibition gallery, the submission for the World Heritage Site, Universal Value, view of the Heritage Site of Songkla, where in the background is the town of Hat Yai, and across is the island, the mainland, and the island of Koh Yu. So this is a Songkla Declaration 2015. Signed by Phuket City, Songkla City, Sawahlunto, Medan Warisan Sumatra, Songkla Heritage Trust, Medan Heritage Trust by Clement, Malacca Heritage, Palembang Heritage, and Dr. Widodo.